Hey everyone, Mrs. Pasega here, and this is just for my period 2 and 3 class. So, hey guys, this thing happened where I have to bring my daughter to school tomorrow, but I can only drop her off right in the middle of her class. I can only drop her off between 8:20 and 8:40, and your class is from 8:11 to 8:43. So instead, I'm going to leave you instructions because today was going to be your makeup day anyways. During this day, I would like you to use this time to play catch up on anything from Unit 5 you still owe me, or start thinking ahead. We're going to skip the check-in. I will ask you a different question for attendance, so tune in to the end of the video to see what your attendance question is. All right, the 3 things I would like you to do during this period. Number 1, Unit 5 makeup work. Because I'm a generous and wonderful teacher, I will give you the opportunity to make up any missed work from Unit 5. That's not normally my policy. Normally, after a test, you get zeros on anything you haven't turned in. But because I'm awesome, if you have anything in PowerSchool as a 0 in Unit 5, so that's either Homework 5.1, Homework 5.2, Experiment 5B, or Experiment 5C, turn those in by the end of today, and I will make sure they get onto your Quarter 2 grades. All right, I also need to enter your science course recommendations for senior year by the end of the day tomorrow. So I'm going to call you out right now. I need to hear from Christina, Matt, Umesh, Connor, and Joe. Please let me know what courses you would like to take as a senior. In order to do your course selection, read the course list. You can do that by going to the follow along slides and clicking this button. They're also posted in Classroom if you want to go find them later. Read through the course description and let me know what you're interested in taking. Just a heads up, things that are level 1 classes, namely AP Chemistry, AP Physics 1 and 2, and Advanced Research Mentorship, I will not recommend you for those unless you currently have an A for me because I know what the pace of that course is like. If it's something like AP Environmental Science, Principles of Applied Robotics and Engineering, Human Anatomy and Physiology, then that's totally fine. I will put you those with whatever grades you currently have. Then email me. Then email me what you would like to take. I can put you down for multiple courses if you are choosing between 1 or 2 and want to see what works best in your schedule. And if you are thinking about it and you've thought that maybe you've changed your mind, feel free to email me as well, and I will change what I've recommended. Now, if you later decide to enroll in a course I have not recommended you for, you have to fill out a parent course overload form, which takes more time. So if you're choosing between a few courses, let me know and I'll just put them all in. There is a new course this year called Principles of Applied Robotics and Engineering that's offered in both Level 1 and Level 2 flavors. So if you want a Level 1 course, but don't necessarily want to do a double every day like AP Physics 1 and 2, let me know and I'll sign you up for Robotics and Engineering. Finally, number 3. Now is about that time of year to start thinking about your senior year. If you would like me to write you a letter of recommendation, please email me, let me know, and when you do, fill out this form. You can click this link to bring you to this form. Please fill out this form and give it to me with this and a resume so I can write you a better letter of recommendation, especially because I didn't have as much experience with you during class time as normal. Especially because I didn't have as much experience during class time with you as normal, I want to make sure I write a well-rounded letter that gets across the points you want me to make. Since I teach mostly juniors, I wrote 37 letters of recommendation last year. I am going to cap that this year. Some number less than 37. So contact me sooner rather than later. If I feel like I can write you a good letter, then I will. Right? Finally, for attendance for today, your attendance question. Answer this in Google Classroom, and I will use this to mark you as present. Where should I go for my honeymoon? Where in the whole world should I go for my honeymoon? Okay, have a great day, guys.